Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a fixed wake time and committing to it. This anchors your circadian rhythm. Once set, expose yourself to bright light for 10-20 minutes within 30 minutes of waking to signal morning to your brain. Make sure to prepare a simple 60-90-minute wind-down routine tonight. No screens, lower lighting, and a predictable sequence of calming actions. You do these steps first because they create predictable signals your brain with ADHD can learn to follow. Once your wake time is stable, move into evening anchoring. Shift active tasks earlier by 15-minute steps over a few nights so your body can adapt. You should follow a consistent 60-90-minute routine, dim lights, have a small protein snack, and choose one calming activity like reading or breathing. Make sure to stop caffeine and stimulants 6-8 hours before bed and note amounts in milligrams. That reduces late-night arousal. These actions teach timed cues that help ADHD brains wind down. To finish, lock your bedtime around the rhythm you built. Move it by only 10-15 minutes if you miss targets so progress stays manageable. You should keep a simple sleep log for 2-3 weeks. Note wake time, bedtime, and subjective alertness so you can fine-tune in small steps. If things go wrong, reset quickly. Force a bright light morning and aim for an earlier bedtime that evening. This realigns cues. Remember, consistency and tiny changes beat big swings for ADHD.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.